first place associate ay galing naman sa Anregar Group.
Alam mo, just to give you a trivia for this particular winner, he just joined Pro Friends late of this year. And you know, with his stellar sales performance, he's on stage tonight. Oh, that's a clue. He's on stage tonight. Without further ado, who's this lucky guy?
Mr. Gabriel Ibacao
Junior! Isang cheer dyan from Anregar Group! He joined Pro Friends, if I'm not mistaken, July or August of this year. Oh, another round of applause for all our winners.
Dami niyang fans, Owen.
Parang kilala ko kung sino yun.
Miss Saigon ng Kiss Group! Congratulations! Napakaganda ng concept, napaka-heartwarming ng performance. Panalo ang costume, ang abs ni ate kanina, no, nung sumasayaw sa Uwaging-wagi yan. At syempre, ang age doesn't matter, love
Siyempre,
anthem.
pati yung TLs, gusto nating imbitahin.
Gusto natin imbitahan din ang TLs nila. Yan, at magpa-picture taking tayo.
The village I come from seems so far away. All of the girls know much more what you say.